So I have some issues with my car. My headlight's out, so I'm gonna try to attempt to change it while I'm at work. So where the washer fluid is on the left side, it seems like it's right here, but mine is missing on the battery side. So dusty here. Ooh, it looks very tight in this little section. So I let my car cool down before I'm on my lunch hour, so I have less than 20 minutes now to change this. Let's see, how do you pull this out? Oh, I twist it and it popped out so easily. Very cool. I just twisted and it came off. So let's see. Alright, so I've already twisted it off, and it doesn't have a leeway, but I know it's out because I checked it. And how does this come out? Oh, there's a clip towards the back and it just pops off. So I squeeze my thumb where that clip is, and then it'll release this section. So I didn't open this yet because I'm not sure if the number is correct. So just to be safe, don't open it yet. There's a number underneath this. You want to make sure that it matches. So I'm just making sure that it matches. This is a Toyota Camry 2015. It's H11, 12 volts, 55 watts, Germany, OS RAM. Everything looks the same. 64211L plus dot. Oh wait, this says W4N1 and then this is W4R1. It's probably like the light that's different, but even the prongs inside looks the same. I just need it as a temporary light because I'm gonna get both of it switched out to have better ones. And this thing was like $22 for the very basic light bulb. The one like above this was like $30. It was like two for over 40 bucks, 40 something dollars. It's very expensive. I thought I needed scissors to undo this, but I don't. Okay, it was so sweet. One of the workers here stopped to see if I was okay. I was like, yeah, I'm fine. I'm just changing my lights. And she's like, I don't know how to do it. And I had my phone because I was recording. And she's like, are you YouTubing it? I'm like, no, but I'm recording myself so I could put it on YouTube. All right, so I just clipped it back on. I'm finding the hole now. And then you kind of just twist it back. All right, it was easy. I just like found the hole. Once I clipped it in, you find the hole and then you twist it. You twist it clockwise, and then that's righty-tighty. To loosen it up, you twist it towards you if you're standing on the driver's side where the battery is. Twisted, well, away from you, and then if you tighten it, twist it towards you. Let's see if it works now. Let's move all this stuff out. This is the old one. Can I just throw it in a trash can? I'm not sure. But this is old. Don't need this. Let's see if it works. And the light came on. Goody goody gumdrops. So I got new batteries and I'm thinking the fuse bunked this, so it stopped working. I don't know where this goes. It keeps coming off. Well, that's how you do it. So there's the light switch right there. Turn it this way to take it off, And then the clip is underneath. It looks like a clip like this. You just put your thumb on it to unclip it and then pull the light out, and then you just clip it back on and twist it. Very easy. Very, very easy. I did it on my lunch hour. My lunch half an hour at work.